This short video is on the meniscus repair technique by crown feather stitch for parrot beak tears. This is the medial meniscus viewed from the ipsilateral portal, and the working portal is the contralateral portal. The first stitch is taken to the center of the tear. This open eye looped needle with two threads, and in this case a middle right cannula is used in this situation, where the first stitch is taken through the center of the flap. All four sutures are passed through the same bite, and the first stitch in the outer part of the flap is taken where one of the threads are taken out, and subsequently the second stitch is taken here where the second thread and third bite is taken in the outer part of the flap here, and similarly the fourth stitch is also taken at the end. You see this configuration appearing like the peacock crown feather in four radial pattern. One stitch is to the center of the flap, which has minimal damage to the center of the flap, and four stitches radially, and this is a repair for white to red-white zone tear, typical repair for a parrot beak pattern of tear.